I'm just like in video mode. And I got both cameras with me today. That's what I do. You couldn't see anything in video mode because you need to have super mode. I format my cameras every single time, so I'm all set up. I just been passed by. Now I'm not using a external microphone, Bluetooth microphone today. I'm just all about the internal. Time for me to take the wrench, the Allen key, to the mirror. Get a little general maintenance. I'm doing a little research on hybrid and gas. And I'm finding out the differences if asked. You notice that the car don't have a regular battery, 12 volt, but just a lithium ion, nothing underneath the hood. So every 5 years, let's say, you need to get a new battery and you can't find it underneath the hood to change. What are you gonna do? Got to bring it in if you don't have the experience or know-how to change the cartridge of the lithium ion and where it's located, towards the back of the car. And I'm not talking about all PHEV or full electric car. I'm talking about a gas and hybrid car. Definitely big differences in gas mileage. You got 33 versus 42, 45 combined of gas or hybrid. Let's take a look. Stuff still left behind. Give a nice pan to the side of what it looks like. Well, it's like choosing a camera. What do you like best? You like an economy budget camera versus a professional commercial grade type camera? Or should I have said, you know, like a action camera to a DSLR? And also, you know, the differences between a hybrid and a gas is only like $2,000 or so. And that's not bad, but you miss out on the grill. You got these new grills that just are so flush to the car versus the older style type grills that maybe give it more of a different look. And the thing is, that few grand difference is going to be the battery cost. So as I watch all these videos and researching and doing what I like to do best at times, and not getting the answers I'm looking for, but just knowing what they're doing. There's one guy I like, and strictly, you know, does a good job, and I laugh at it. That's all I can say. We're out today, still doing sunrises. Where's his buddy? Maybe he's down a different road or at his shop. Well, each car, each thing, whatever it is we do, differs. And some people may like it, some people may not. So all my shots, I started out in video mode, and I change over to super night. Now I'm back on video mode. I don't need to have super night on. Do I look grainy? Do I look good? Do I need to switch over to the Insta360 Ace Pro 2? Or just keep on using the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro? I found the partner, different area, different location, different scene shot. That's what they're doing. Different places, different places. This don't work, that don't work, and saying these words don't work. All I got to say is, I'm sorry, watching the boat come in, and I'm listening to the traffic noise just in the distance that you probably hear. You could compare that to the other day's vlog and decide what camera you like. Sometimes you don't need to have video mode working for you when super night does the job. And I'm on video mode, waiting for the sunrise to come up. I'm to just say, hey, thank you very much. It's time for me to get on out of here and get on going. I gotta go meet up with Joe. Take care of some beeswax. Oh yeah, the fun is yet to begin. Watch the boat come in. Must have been out there for stripers for sure, man. You know the good saying that we all say all the time? It is what it is, man. It is what it is. One day, I don't think you got it. Did you get it? Keep on thinking. I know somebody's got it, and they got it immediately. Have a great day.